Hi, this is Noemi. I will be your teacher for this mini course about how to start your career in fitness, or from your dream to a realistic point of view of being a fitness trainer. We will have 5 sections, and in the first one we will go through a few questions just to help you decide whether it is really for you to be a fitness trainer. If it's not for you, then you can spare a lot of time, but hopefully you will figure out that, okay, this is for you. In the second part of the first chapter, we will talk about when it is the right time to start preparing for your courses, when is the right time to start your career. In the next chapter, we will go through about the certification process, what characteristics do you have, and what do you expect from a course, and I will help you decide which course can be the best for you. So I will provide some examples where to go for certification. I won't advertise 1 or 2 schools. I will just give you some things to think about, which can help you to help you decide which school to go for. In the next section, the third chapter is about how to get the most out of a certification. So it doesn't really matter which course you choose, but it really matters how much time you spend on preparing for the exam, how do you prepare, and so on. So we'll go through the most important factors of getting the most out of a course. The fourth chapter is about your first class. I will give you some tips how to survive the first one, because the first one is always scary, and I will try to help you go through with it with a less scary approach. It will be scary anyway, but I will try to do my best. I know how to get rid of some kind of nervousness, because I'm a very nervous type. And I survived more than 6 years of teaching now, so I think it can be useful. And the last chapter is about your future, what to do after your first certification, your basic certification, what are your options, and so on. So these are the topics of our mini course. I hope you will enjoy it, and we will meet in the first chapter. Bye!